Hey, if you wonder if you can actually use the wireless mouse with your Realme C67, for sure you can do this. As you can see, in my case, everything is fine. And if you wonder how you can connect the wireless mouse, there's like two methods. The first one, if you have this kind of the adapter in your mouse, this one, you can actually plug it into the adapter. So here I have the USB hub. It looks like this, with the USB-C port, so I have to plug it right here, and then I have to plug this adapter into this hub. For example, just right here. And when you do this, you'll actually get this connection immediately. So that's how it works. And if you don't have this adapter, you can still pair your mouse by using the standard Bluetooth settings. So you'll have to just turn on your mouse. In my case, it looks like this, that here is this turn on switcher, and here I have the Bluetooth pairing button. I have to click and hold it for a few seconds, and after this, when I enable the Bluetooth, I can find this mouse on available devices list, and I can easily pair it like any other device. And after this, it is just working. For sure, you have to be also, you will also check if your mouse is compatible with Android devices. In my case, this Rapu mouse is actually working without any issues, and you can even use it in the games. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.